Hey everybody, look how flooded it is. There's some debris around here. Water right there. Y'all see that? Y'all can see over there. Hmm. I mean, the pumps don't down work around here. Wonder why. Look right here. How flooded this is, you know. Hmm. Well. This is a damn shame what's going on here. Yeah. Hmm. I wonder who watching this. Probably millions of people watching this after I upload this to YouTube. You know, Sheba Turk, Leslie Spoon, Eric Paulson, Sal Ann Roberts retired, but I'ma still mention her name. Are y'all watching? I wonder if y'all are. Oh, that person stalled. Oh, who's that? Oh, wonder who that is over there. Mm-hmm. Use my other camera though. Mm-hmm. Yeah, some people can't even I don't know what's what. Hmm. Hmm. Well, YouTube, Facebook, and any other website. And New Orleans just got new buses. They're not even active yet, you know. Oh, that person over there taking video, you know. I wonder if that person gonna upload it to YouTube. I know I will. Hmm. Hmm. All right. Yes, indeed. All right then. That's all for now.